Welcome to our video on investing wisely. Whether you're a novice investor or seasoned veteran, making informed investment decisions is crucial for building wealth and achieving financial security. In this guide, we'll explore essential principles and strategies to help you navigate the complex world of investing and maximize your returns. Chapter 1. Understanding Investment Basics. To invest wisely, it's essential to understand the fundamental concepts of investing. We'll cover topics such as risk and return, asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., diversification, and the importance of time horizon and goals in investment planning. By laying a solid foundation of knowledge, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions. Chapter 2. Setting investment goals. Before diving into the market, it's essential to clarify your investment goals. Are you saving for retirement, buying a home, funding your children's education, or simply seeking to grow your wealth? We'll discuss the importance of setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals and how they influence your investment strategy. Chapter 3. Developing an investment strategy. With your goals in mind, it's time to develop a personalized investment strategy. We'll explore different investment approaches, such as passive versus active investing, value versus growth investing, and the pros and cons of various investment vehicles, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, etc. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of asset allocation and rebalancing in maintaining a well-diversified portfolio. Chapter 4. Risk Management and Asset Allocation. Risk is an inherent part of investing, but it can be managed through prudent risk management techniques. We'll delve into the concept of risk tolerance and how to align your portfolio with your comfort level. Asset allocation plays a crucial role in mitigating risk, and we'll explore strategies for allocating assets across different classes to achieve optimal diversification. Chapter 5. Researching investment. When selecting investments, thorough research is essential. We'll discuss how to analyze stocks, bonds, and other assets, including fundamental and technical analysis techniques. We'll also explore the importance of conducting due diligence on investment opportunities, assessing factors such as financial health, industry trends, and management quality. Chapter 6. Monitoring and rebalancing your portfolio. Investing is an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring and adjustment. We'll discuss the importance of reviewing your portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. We'll also explore strategies for rebalancing your portfolio to maintain diversification and optimize returns in changing market conditions. Chapter 7. Staying informed and seeking professional advice. Finally, we'll emphasize the importance of staying informed about market trends, economic developments, and regulatory changes that may impact your investments. Seeking professional advice from financial advisors or investment professionals can provide tailored financial plans for those who may not find DIY investing feasible. Investing wisely is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Learn the basics, set goals, strategize, manage risk, stay informed, and watch your finances thrive. Remember, the key to successful investing is not timing the market but time in the market. Happy investing!